First thing you're going to do is you're going to right click on your presentation, open with Google Slides, and then you'll go in and it will let you edit just like you would in PowerPoint. So I'm going to finish editing this, and then I'm going to go up to File and I'm going to go down to Save as Google Slides. And the reason I'm doing this is so that I don't have to go in and click on the PowerPoint and ask it to open in Google Slides each time. Instead, this just automatically saves a Google Slides copy in my drive. And then I'm going to go up here and it's not showing up, so I'm going to refresh the page. And then there you can see I have both versions, the Google Slides and the PowerPoint.